We're going to use our Bosch tool to hook up to the truck to be able to program injectors on a C-7 cat. You're going to want to hit connect vehicle and scan vehicle. Now that we're connected to the vehicle, we're going to want to go to the engine, Caterpillar, and hit continue. Now that we're inside to try to, in the engine, we got Caterpillar C7 at the top. We're going to want to go down to adjustments and settings and then hit continue. We're going to go to injector coding and continue. This will bring up this screen, which pretty much explains what you need to be able to program the injector. You'll see your different injectors. We're already programmed 4 of them, so we're going to try to program number 5. This is the code for the injector. So we're going to go down to number 5 and continue. This is what is code that is in the injector right now. We're going to want to change that since that is not right. So we're going to hit change. But first, we need to put our CD in our CD drive, and that just hooks up USB. So we're going to hit change. Then we're going to want to, it's telling you need to find the file for it. So you hit continue. It'll bring up this screen. We're going to want to go down to our DVD drive, and then it's already in the trim files. So we're going to want to populate this. First, we're going to want to pull up our keyboard, and what I ended up doing is hitting the function key, and then on the bottom there's an icon for the keyboard. You're going to want to make sure you're back in, your cursor's back in that space. You're going to hit backspace, and we're going to hit EX611A000FAD, and then it'll pull up this file, what file is left, and it matches to what we need. We're going to click on it. It'll populate it in here. We'll hit open. We can get rid of our keyboard now. So now you're going to want to make sure your serial number matches your code that you have, and it matches. So we're going to hit continue. And then it says calibration is complete. Hit continue. And then it's just verifying that your code is, injector code is the same. And it is. So we'll go continue. It'll bring you back up to this screen. If you got more injectors to code, you go back in the same way you did it. And then if not, you're completely done.